What's up everybody? Welcome to another YouTube video on my IS500. Today we have something extremely special, something that I've been planning and working on for almost an entire year. We are going to ARK Performance in Ontario, California to get a prototype GRiP exhaust installed on my IS500. This is a Catback full exhaust. For those of you who don't know too much about the IS500, one of the major complaints about it is that the stock exhaust is too quiet. And I'm not a big mod guy, but I have to agree. One of the reasons I wanted to get an ARK exhaust is because I don't want it to sound like an American muscle car. A lot of the current exhausts on the market do that. The GT House is really loud, and it's a great exhaust if that's what you want to achieve. But I didn't want something that obnoxious. I live in California after all, and there is a lot of laws regarding aftermarket exhaust. So I do want to stay kind of low key, and that's the reason that I'm excited to go with ARK Performance. Now, I contacted them to see if they would be making one because I saw their RCF exhaust videos and they were awesome. And I wanted something exactly like that for the RCF. So we're gonna hope that it turns out that way. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. Alright guys, we did it. We are here in the IS500 with the brand new ARK Performance exhaust. And we did all of our test drives. It's time for me to go home now. I am really excited. This sounds amazing. Right off the parking lot, I could feel that it is a little bit peppier than stock. There's no drone right now, no issue. You saw the sound clips. Sounds great from the outside. It's also really good from the inside too. Definitely a little bit louder on the inside. My goal here today is to not get a ticket. No check engine lights so far. That was one thing that We were really looking to see whether or not that was going to be an issue. Some of the cars come having a leak in the flange, and this is a kind of a known problem for this model, but we haven't had that. My stock mufflers rattling in the background. We're here on the open road going home from our time at ARK Performance. I have to say I'm really pleased with this exhaust so far. It sounds really good. It doesn't have too much drone. It is louder, but it's not necessarily annoying. And looks great from the outside. Again, this was a really long-term project, I feel. Just want to give a huge shout out to all the guys at ARK Performance who made this possible. It was a lot of fun, and I say that every time, but every car experience that I have just adds a little bit more to this ownership. And I've been really enjoying talking to different people who work on the car, who help out. It's just been a pure joy. So again, huge thank you to those guys. And if you're watching this and you're looking for an exhaust for the IS500, I would highly, highly recommend ARK Performance. This is the one that we've all been waiting for. It's not too loud, but it also gives the V8 the sound that it deserves. So with that, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Hopefully you like it. I love it, and I think it's going to be fantastic in the future.